What's up, guys? Tyler120 here, and welcome back to another Tech Tuesday unboxing video. It's been a while. But it is upgrade time. Today, as you can see by the name, of course I'm always late, but this is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is an upgrade to my former phone, the S22 Ultra. You can see he went through the trenches and back. But it's time for an upgrade. Not only that, I would have kept it, but you see that it's cracked. If I sound a bit lost in this video, it's because I literally just got off from work. It's been a long day. I would really want to make this video because I really wanted to set up this phone. So I can have my brand new phone ready. So, that's what's going on. So, here it is. I have the new color. I have the green, like eco green. I have not opened this yet, so it's first time for me and first time for you. So this cut is open. I don't think I really want to use one hand. No, I do not. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, I have it open. Y'all ready? I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. That's nice. Right here it makes me seem like it has a phone case, but this is an all new design from unboxing. And I have my old boxes for comparison. So let's see what's in here. I forgot I had my tripod. I could have used that, but oh well. We're gonna thug it out, y'all. So inside the box, we have our quick start guide, terms. We have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. And of course, your SIM ejector tool. That's always nice. Without further ado, here's a pull tab piece. And the box appears to be slimmer than how it used to be. Here's this piece. And here is the phone. Let me fix my hand. Wow, I wonder if there's a temporary screen protector on here. I don't think so. But it feels so much better than the new one, than my original. Where's my original? Where did I put my original? Here's my original. As you can see, a lot of people say that it looks exactly the same, and well, kind of. So here's the back of the S22 Ultra, and here's the back of the S23 Ultra. Clearly, the cameras are much more defined than the old one. As you can see, on the side, it's more rounded, and on this one, it's flat. Not only that, the color is like machine metal, like a blue with the green. This one is just black on black. Let's see how the pen looks. I'm doing all this with one hand. And the pen is black. The pen is black. It's like it's a matte black. I'm gonna miss my red pen, but they did say like in the past I could keep the pen if I could. Let's see if it'll fit. Let's see if my old pen will fit in the new phone. It's a snug fit too. Put that to the side. Will it fit? Yes, it will. green phone, red pen. Yeah, this is pretty neat. I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna put my pen back in. I thugged it out. This phone without a screen protector. I don't know if I want to thug it out with this phone, but at the moment I do not have a screen protector. I picked up a cheap case because I usually use ASR case, I think. Not sponsored, but it's a clear case. As you can see, it's yellow. So I had it for a long time. I have a rubberized. I have one also. This is a rubberized one though. For the current phone I'm recording with, which is my S23 Ultra. Yes, I said my S23 Ultra. But without further ado, let's peel this off, shall we? You ready? I'm ready. That's beautiful. And by the way, this phone is much lighter than this one. This one is more like premium, heavier feel. This is much lighter. I don't know what they did. And I did the demo. I saw the demo one, and there is some subtle difference. As you can see, the antenna is different. It appears that the headphones in the same spot, but the antenna is different. If I could do it at the same time without scratching anything. On the bottom, the antenna on the new one is smaller than how it is on the old one. Even look, if you can see, the shape of the pen is even different. Interesting. And you can really see the edges, how it's rounded with the old gen and straight with the new gen. Overall same size. On the other side, we yeah, it's relatively the same on the other side. We have an extra antenna on the 23 compared to here. There's no antenna on this side. And the last side, boom. There's two antennas on the S22, and there's one on the S21. So I don't know. But let's see how this startup screen looks. Is it the same? Did they updated it? Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox, powered by Android. You already know. And while it's starting up, this is beautiful. But this is the front setup, the front page box, the front of the box for the S23 Ultra. This is the front of the box for the S22 Ultra for the red that I have, and these are all the different colors: the gray, the red, and the I think it's the blue. And this is the one I'm recording with, the S21 Ultra. You know I love my Samsung. So I'm gonna go to the quick start guide, bring y'all to the home screen, and that should be it for this unboxing video. Alright y'all, so after like literally an hour and a half of it downloading, it's finally up. There's still some sign. That's the worst part of getting a brand new device. You gotta sign in to all your apps and all that. I need to go through these apps to see what I'm gonna keep and delete. But so far, I love the color. Again, I love the form factor. Everything feels perfect. Everything feels premium. Compared to my my Galaxy S22 Ultra. You know, this is more slippery and smoother, and this is like flat on the edges. So yeah, but thank you all for watching this new addition to unboxing. And my new baby, my new daily. I have one more device coming, and it's something I've never had before. It's my first of this item. So in the next couple weeks, look out for it, and I hope y'all enjoy it. It's late. I'm going to bed. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and that's it. So I will catch y'all in the next one. Tahir 120 out. Peace.